911R. I want to just do a little walk around on this Mercedes 6.3. It's getting ready to end, and just kind of talk about some of the features, the upgrades, and the condition of the car. If you walk around the car, you can see the panel gaps on it are all very uniform and good. The chrome in the front is nice. Emblem, badge, grille, lights, all that is in good shape. There's a little bit of pitting wear on some of the bezels, but that's the worst of it. But the rest of it is in beautiful condition. I'm gonna open up the hood so we can see the engine bay. You can see it's all nice and proper. Everything looks right. The air conditioning blows very, very coldness. I had this car on the freeway, had up to 100 miles an hour. Everything absolutely rips and goes down the road really good. Battery's good in it. All the features here are all just how they should be. Coming over to the side, I want to talk about, there is a small little ding right here on the top of this fender. I want you to see that. The wheels are in good shape. They're a little dirty from me driving it the other day. Couple little bubble spots around the car. That's just a nick. And then there's a couple chips down in this lower edge here. But again, the panel fit is all very uniform across the top, across the bottom. The windows all work and go up and down properly. Looking on the inside, something kind of cool they did is they put in the power seats like out of a 560, and it has you can zoom in on the dash, it has the power control modules from a 560 and then morphed in there. Look really good and good and work nicely. It's nice having power seats. Go ahead and I'll start it up. All the gauges work across here. The clock is broken, you can see that, but that's pretty minor. It's got the Becker Europa radio in it, and it's been upgraded with a Bluetooth adapter, so you can run a little more modern sound system type stuff. But the wood in here is overall in really decent shape. Up on the dash is very nice. On the center console, it's got a little bit of graining, but not terrible. The steering wheel is also in very nice condition. Go around and open up the back seat. Again, the seats all look really good. Doors open and close nicely. All the trim is nice. Headliner is really good on the car too. You can zoom up and see that. Again, open and close really nice. The gaps are good. The trunk lid gaps are very nice. Opens right up. Lots of spare stuff comes with this car. Extra wheels, books, manuals. I mean, look at that stack of stuff it comes with. That's a ton of stuff. Also comes with a rebuilt fuel injection pump for as a spare. Again, the chrome, tailpipes, all that's good. The tires are very nice on it. Passenger side, open it up. Works good. The good chrome and rubber strips. Check it out. But I just wanted to go through and show how really nice this car is preserved, and it's an excellent driver quality 6.3. Get out and really rip. If you haven't ever driven one of these things are a muscle car. When I took it for the drive the other day, it'll actually scratch second gear when it shifts. It rips. So this is like the ultimate German Autobahn cruiser. Any questions, he use the contact seller button. We're happy to talk about it. Or if you need transportation quotes, we can also work on that. Good luck, and thank you for looking at this car.